Hi guys, welcome back to Soy Creativa. Today we are going to make delicious Dal Dhokla. So let's get started. Firstly, add 2 cups of Chana Dal to a bowl. Then add 1 cup of Moong Dal to another bowl. Now add lukewarm water to both the Chana Dal and the Moong Dal bowls. Now cover it and soak for 3 hours. After 3 hours, drain off the water from the Chana Dal. Transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a paste. Now transfer this paste to a mixing bowl. Similarly, drain off the water from the Moong Dal too. Transfer it to a mixer jar. Now add 1 inch of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, 5 chilies, and now grind it to a paste. Transfer this too to the mixing bowl. Now mix it well. Now add 1 cup of curd to this. Firstly, add half of it, mix it, and if it is required, add the remaining half of it. Adjust the consistency. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now mix this well. Now add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, and mix this well. Now grease a container with oil and boil some water in the dhokla maker. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or Eno fruit salt and mix it well. The batter turns fluffy. Now pour this batter in the oil-greased container. You can also make this dhokla by the pressure cooker method. All you need to do is put some water in the pressure cooker, place a stand and place the tin containing the batter. Now place this container in the dhokla maker. Now cover the lid and bake for 20 to 25 minutes on a low flame. After 20 to 25 minutes, open the lid and test with the help of a knife whether the dhokla is baked or not. If the knife comes out clean, it is baked completely. Now let's prepare the tadka for our dhokla. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a tadka pan, half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, let it simmer, then add half tablespoon of jeera, that is cumin seeds, and 8 to 10 curry leaves, let it simmer and the tadka is ready. Cut the dhokla into pieces and gently spread the tadka on the dhokla. And our tasty dal dhokla is ready. Guys, if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Soy Creativa for more such creative recipes. Thank you.